So I always ask the question, what would you like to do if money were no object? How would you really enjoy spending your life? Well, it's so amazing. As a result of our kind of educational system, crowds of students say, well, we'd like to be painters, we'd like to be poets, we'd like to be writers, but as everybody knows, you can't earn any money that way. If you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Easy, easy. Pull out your heart to make up being alone. Easy, easy. Pull out your heart to make up being alone. Easy, easy. Easy, easy. You break the bridle to make losing control easy. Crush what you're holding to, tearing the wall easy. Easy. Burn all your things to make them fight to forget. Easy. Oh, easy. Burn all your things to make them fight to forget. Easy.
And after all, if you do really like what you're doing, it doesn't matter what it is, you can eventually you can eventually become a master of it. It's the only way to become a master of something, is you really good at it. And then you'll be able to get a good fee for whatever it is. It is absolutely stupid to spend your time doing things you don't like in order to go on spending things you don't like and doing things you don't like, and to teach your children to follow the same track. And so, therefore, it's so important to consider this question: what do I desire?